Hi, today I will show you 5 ways to reduce or eliminate noise during recording. Whether recording at professional studio or at home, noise is a common problem. So with these tips, you can reduce noise effectively and achieve a high quality recording result. So let's start. So for the part 1, the first approach is to choose the right size microphone and optimize recording environments. Cardioid microphone is a very good choice. It mainly picks up the sound in front and reducing noise interface from the side and behind. This design can significantly reduce background noise. In addition to the microphone, the recording environment is also crucial. Recording in a quiet, soundproof room can greatly reduce background noise. Using sound-absorbing materials such as heavy curtains or soundproof panel can also help reduce echoes.
The polar pattern I want to show you is called a cardioid. And it's called a cardioid pattern because the shape resembles a heart. A cardioid microphone picks up sound best from the front, and it rejects sounds coming from the rear.
For part 2, the second approach is to reduce noise through the gain control of the device. On a recording device or audio interface, if the gain is set too high, the device will pick up more background noise. In the case of the Focusrite audio interface, the gain can be adjusted in real time, allowing us to maintain the desired input level while recording. Low gain setting maintains natural sound quality and avoids over compression of the recording, while too high a gain can improve the signal stress. It may introduce a lot of noise.
I'm going to bump this up. We're going to look at Logic here. I'm going to bump this up until, it's somewhere around that -15 mark right there. Now watch as I do my intro. So right now I'm just speaking and it's at -18, and then I say, "Hi, I'm Jordan from Kettner Creative." So right there we went from -18 to -12, and that's the whole point of having that headroom. So later in post-production I can compress it, I can do whatever, but we want that raw audio file to have all the headroom that we need. So if we're recording a podcast and we're laughing or we get animated, we're telling a story, that we don't lose any of that information.
For part 3, the third key is maintain the natural sound quality of the recording while reducing noise. For example, when using noise gate and low-cut filter, we want to make sure that these features do not overprocess the sound, causing audio distortion or sounding unnatural. On a device like Zoom H6, a low-cut filter can remove low-frequency noise, such as wind or traffic noise, but setting it too high can affect the natural sound of the bass part of the recording. So finding the right filter values is very important.
When we enable this, watch what happens. You can see that bouncing, and when we turn it on, gone. Turn it off. And now you're picking up the air conditioning, essentially, that low end rumble of the air conditioner. And we'll turn it back on. So if you have a low cut filter, that's one thing that it can do for you. You can improve that signal to noise ratio by knocking out that low end rumble.
For part 4, the fourth approach is to find a balance between technical improvements and artistic expression. While technology can help us reduce noise and optimize sound quality during recordings, over-reliance on technology can undermine artistic intent. For example, when we use limiter, it can prevent sound overload, but if it is set too strictly, it can make the sound appear too restrictive and lose its organized dynamic chance, which may not be ideal for some music or conversations recording.
Put the limiter on and at -4. So check, 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 1, 2, 1, 2, check, check, check. Let's turn it off and see how it reacts. And I'm not going to change anything else other than the limiter on and off. And it's on advanced, just so you know. If you remember, advanced had less options. It had just basically your threshold. So now it's off, and we're going to clip again. Check, 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 1, 2, check, 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 1, 2, check, check, check. There you go.
For last part, we need to use some real-time software tool and hardware function to help us control the noise. Control panel software like Focusrite help us monitor and adjust the audio gains in the real time during the recording process. In addition, the Zoom has 6 built-in control panel and hardware features such as low-cut filter and noise gas can be applied in real time while recording, thus reducing background noise in the recording. So today we discussed 5 ways to reduce the noise during the recording process, including choosing the right microphones, adjusting the gains, using real-time noise suppression tool, maintaining the natural sound quality of the recording, and how to find a balance between technical improvement and artistic intent. By applying this technical principle, we can effectively reduce noise and ensure high quality and professional recording. I hope this method are helpful for your recording work. So thanks for watching.